Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Miss Asma Tariq is here. Today we will learn about the processing and storage. The learning objective of this video are understand buses in computer architecture, type of buses along with their functions, expansion cards and expansion slots, and cloud storage. What is a bus? A bus is a circuit or set of wires that links the CPU with peripheral devices. A bus is a communication pathway. There are three types of buses: the address bus, control bus, and data bus. This is the diagram that shows the functions of the buses in computer architecture. The data bus it is a bidirectional bus, a collection of wires through which data is transmitted from one part of a computer to another. Data bus is a highway on which data travels within a computer. This bus connects all the components of the CPU computer to the CPU and the main memory. The data bus carries raw data to the processor and processed information from the processor. The number of wires referred to as the width of the data bus. Each wire can carry only one bit at a time, so the number of wires determines how many bits can be transferred at a time. The address bus it is a unidirectional bus, a collection of wires used to identify a particular location in main memory is called address bus. The address bus carries information about the locations on RAM or ROM where data is to be stored. The CPU sends address to a particular memory location and input-output ports. All input and output devices are plugged into ports at the back of the system unit. The control bus is a unidirectional bus and it carries commands from the CPU to the different devices and informs the CPU about those devices. The control bus carries signals that report the status of various devices where data is to be stored. Without the control bus, the CPU cannot determine whether the system is receiving or sending data. It is the control bus that regulates which direction the write and read information need to go. Now come on the expansion cards and expansion slots. An expansion card is a circuit board that can be attached to the motherboard. It improves the performance of the computer. A motherboard has sockets called expansion slots. An expansion card can fit into an expansion slot. This is the diagram of the CPU. It shows the expansion slots, CPU sockets, back panel connectors, memory slots, storage devices connections. Now come on the topic cloud storage. Some websites offers free or low cost storage on an internet hard drive. Users can store, edit and view information from any computer connected to the internet. Some popular cloud-based storage are SkyDrive from Microsoft and Google Drive is from Google. OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox are another example of cloud storage where you can save your data and access your data from anywhere else. This is the diagram of cloud storage, input devices, data warehouses, your personal devices, and you can access the public data through the data servers. The questions related to this topic are: question number 1. What are buses in computer architecture? Question number 2. Draw the diagram of types of buses. Question number 3. What are some of the advantages of cloud-based storage? Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Stay connected with Asma Tariq online. Allah Hafiz.